Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'm Jake. This is the 4th of May. As usual, we're here to share our insight of the market. So we made a plan that we're going to go long, buy some crypto as an investment short term. Usually when we made the plan, we'll follow it until we see indication such a change of trend or major selling in the market. Otherwise, we won't impact by the short-term volatility in the market. So this week, we're going to continue hold on to our precision on crypto. I want to be a buyer on stock indices, but I have to wait for more indication, so more confirmation from the chart. I'm currently long on buying US dollar, selling euro, which I'll show you. And I'm seeing some strength in yen at the moment. So that's pretty much it. Let me jump into the chart and show you what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm going to start off with Bitcoin COD data. What we are seeing is commercial is dropping on the long contract, which is slightly bearish. The non-reportable is not really buying. In fact, they're selling a little bit. So COD data is kind of showing not as bullish as I like to be. However, this may change. So it could happen something like that, the drop, and then the pick up on the long contract through in January, February time. So we shall see. So this weekend, I'll check the COD data again. What I like to see is Bitcoin commercial data to pick up. Seasonally, we are, obviously we'll have a little correction in April and then slowly grind up a bit more till June, maybe more correction around July's time. Then the real bullish move come from end of the year. So yes, we'll see how that turn out to be. Okay, but that's Bitcoin anyway. I'll show you other crypto. So as you can see from the crypto watch list that we built is a bit mixed today, but lately certain coins has been much more bullish than Bitcoin. Especially yesterday, Ethereum had made a new high over 3,500, I believe today. Let me just quickly look. Yeah, 3,475. I'm sure it smashed through 3,500 a bit earlier. Yes, it did. It went gone past 3,500. Are we going to see a drop back? Are we going to see it continue? We shall see anyway. But I'm not currently long on Ethereum, but I'm holding some other coins. I'm still holding Bitcoin Cash at the moment. So let me just go to Bitcoin Cash quickly. So like I said last week, we started invested around the A7 something area, okay, and then the 800 something area that I bought in a little bit more. So I'm still happy to hold it. I'm not seeing major changes at the moment. Price still looks bullish, unless price really break down 930 A60 area, then the picture might be a bit different. But at the moment, it's fine. My plan's still the same. I might take some profit around 1,200. Currently, I'm still holding it. So see what happened. All-time high was close to 3,000 or more than 3,000. Yeah, more than 3,000. So still got room to the upside. So we shall see. I'm happy to continue to hold on to it for the moment. I still got other coins as well, smaller coins that I'm holding. But yeah, that's one of them that the cleanest and the easiest chart to show you guys. In terms of Bitcoin, I said I don't really want to buy it at this level. I would probably just trade it with a CFD method to to go long. So through this area, are we going to see something like that, a little corrective, and continue to push up? Maybe on the 4 hours we see a little bit more, right? So yep, currently is still on a 4-hour uptrend. It's not broken just yet. So yeah, we shall see. Above 56,800, I might take a long position using CFD and take some profit in the last all-time high, and then see what happened on that. Okay, stock indices. S&P 500, we are seeing a little bit more selling today. All right, so obviously rejecting this top channel line and come back here. The monthly pivot area 4,130 could be an area for me to keep an eye on. I will use a smaller time frame, look for a reversal pattern to go long. So yep, let's see. Today probably won't be. I think it's selling doesn't seem like it's done yet. So let's see if tomorrow morning comes in around this area, form up something similar like a double bottom, take the breakout, and then how high can price go to? Price, yeah, I can't see it majorly very bullish on indices. Probably slowly go back up to the all-time high or slightly higher, 4,250 area, and then take some profit. Potentially we may, we're hearing a lot, we may see a major correction in the stock industry, but it's very difficult to pick the top. I'm not a person like to pick the top, and I don't sell any indices anyway, so I'm happy to buy shorter term, keep my target short and sweet, and yeah, target around 4,250. Next step, another one that is on my list today is selling quite hard. So we can see indices are selling quite a bit, but crypto are still holding ground, which is great. So let's see if Nasdaq we trace back to this blue box, also coincide with the trend line area around the 13,300, 13,260 area. Again, dropping down using a smaller time frame, look for a reversal pattern around this area to go long on that. All right, so that's my plan on stock indices. In terms of FX, so we're currently dollar are on a daily phase 2 at the moment, which daily phase 2 the momentum is a lot weaker than in a phase 1. So probably I'm seeing maybe price could potentially go back to this blue box area and also the 200 EMA. So the 92 area will be an area that I will look for a short position. For now, I'm currently in euro dollar. Okay, so I got in yesterday, just taking a retest on the red line area through here. My stop already is quite tight, so I'm not going to add any more position in until it clear this horizontal line, which is the 1.2 area. So I'm breaking a retest. I might just take a shorter term trade, through this area, adding on. But it's a phase 2 trade, so I'm not overly excited about that. The other pair that I'm keeping my eyes is actually the Japanese yen. Okay, we can see from the previous week we saw very strong selling momentum, and now potentially we are forming a lower high through this area. Again, because I'm currently thinking dollar will gain some strength. However, I'm actually seeing yen is slightly stronger. So the best option sometimes is not to sell dollar yen directly, is to find a cross pair to buy yen against. Okay, so currently CAD yen is on my list due to the fact that the dollar CAD is rejecting the bottom channel through here. So potentially we will see a dollar CAD go back to daily phase 2. So a weakness that we're going to see from Canadian dollar. So if we're seeing that Japanese yen, some strength going to Japanese yen and some weakness in Canadian dollar, it makes sense for us to go to Canadian against the Japanese yen and sell the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. So we will go to the chart and have a look. So daily could be potentially having this channel developing at the moment. We saw a rejection yesterday, and then today's price is trying to follow through. Dropping down to the hourly, you will see a head and shoulder pattern that is formed up. So for me, with Japanese yen, is when it moves, it just likes to move. So I'm happy to set a breakout below this leg line area, which is 88.33, something like that. Aiming for 2 to 1 first, and then maybe potentially at the bottom channels, depending how price developed. Okay. So that's pretty much it on the trading and the crypto side for us. We like to pick quality over quantity, so I don't like to force the trade in the market. If you're not seeing much in the market, we're quite happy to do more preparation, such as stock investing or other instrument to invest. So don't force in the market. Trade, pick quality rather than quantity, and let the trade come to you. Okay. So very happy to see you all this week. Until next week, happy trading, healthy investing. Thank you.